Fix in 5. P0437. Catalyst temperature sensor circuit low voltage, bank 1, max 160 chars. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, ML, illuminated, possible rough idle or hesitation during acceleration, reduced fuel economy, catalytic converter may be overheating, no drivability issues in most cases. Now the most likely causes. Faulty catalyst temperature sensor, bank 1. Open or short circuit in sensor wiring harness. Corroded or loose electrical connectors. Poor ground connection at sensor or ECM. Damaged wiring insulation. Here's how a pro pins it down. Confirm the code with a professional OBD2 scanner, wrecker. Visually inspect the catalyst temperature sensor and its W. Use a digital multimeter to check the sensor's voltage out. Check wiring continuity and resistance from the sensor con. Inspect ECM ground points for corrosion or looseness, CLIA. Replace the sensor with a known good one if voltage remain. How to fix it. Clean corroded electrical connectors and apply dielectric grease. Repair or replace damaged wiring in the sensor circuit. Secure loose connector terminals. Replace catalyst temperature sensor if testing shows it is faulty. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45 120 doing it yourself, or €109 184 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0437? Short trips may be possible with P0437 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0437. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.